In this video, I will demonstrate how to merge data onto your Aerocut documents. This is a great feature to use when you are creating direct mail documents that need addresses added for postal delivery. VisionDirect is designed specifically to help you meet all those post office requirements, including 1. Retaining the order of your pre-sorted data file. VisionDirect will automatically perform a number of calculations to ensure that your data is ordered based on the specific Aerocut template you selected, so that each document will drop into the Aerocut bin in pre-sort order. 2. The ability to create a variety of post office required barcodes, including intelligent mail barcodes. How to create barcodes in VisionDirect will be reviewed in a following training video. So to begin, I will start on the design screen of a postcard template I have selected from the Aerocut template wizard. To insert the data file, I will first click on the Insert and then click on the Recipient List button. The data selection screen defaults to the VisionDirect data folder on your PC. You can select a data file from here or from another folder accessible on your PC. VisionDirect supports the .csv data file format, which is easily created from any Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. I will select the CSV file I want to use for addressing and press Open in order to begin the data import process. I am presented with the view of the data file I have selected. As you can see, VisionDirect automatically takes the first row of your data file and uses that as a field name for each column. Upon selecting Next, the final screen gives us a summary of the CSV file that we are importing. Review data settings here. If any of these settings need to be modified, press back and select Show Advanced Settings. Otherwise, press Finish. Now we are in our design screen. As you can see, the CSV file I have imported shows on the right-hand side of the screen. For this demonstration, I will be creating a 5x7 postcard document using the ArchB 5x7 4-up template for the Aerocut. Before I lay data fields down onto the page, I need to add the front and back artwork for the postcard, as we have mentioned and demonstrated in the previous video. Here is a backside of the postcard in which I will be laying out my address data. In order to work in this space easier, I'm going to set my artwork as a background. To do this, select your artwork, right-click, and select Background Plane. This allows me to work onto my artwork without accidentally selecting it. To lay my data fields onto the page, I'll be creating a text area on the page. From the Home tab, I can select the Text Draw option and click one time on my design screen. By clicking one time, the text box is dynamic and will stretch based on the varying length of my data fields. Now that I have the text box open, I can select the data field I want to lay on the page and drag it into the text box. I will do this for each of my data fields while formatting their placement using the Enter for line breaks. Once I have laid my data fields into the text box, I can close the box by clicking elsewhere on the design area. The data fields automatically add the merged data. I can now format this data as regular text by selecting the text field and using the font menu from the Home tab. You can change the size, color, bold, etc., whatever you want. To preview my data merging, I can scroll through the data fields by going to Data, Preview Results menu. As you can see, each of the addresses and names are in the proper data fields as you scroll through each of the postcards. Once you're done previewing it here, you can actually create a real PDF so you can see the actual output. Go to Home and then Create PDF. You can name the file to whatever you want, and then you can click the View PDF button. Once the file is outputted, you can open it up and you can see that everything is in order. You're ready to go.